To make coffee or 7-Eleven? No, she doesn't. It's like a cold coffee. Welcome to, I think it's Wednesday. Look, there was no vlog on Monday because I just worked all day. Let's do an OOTD. So I've worn this last week, I think, but I loved it and I have a different top on. So this top is actually from Kukai years ago. Cotton on a Converse, but because my Converse are broken, actually fixing it. So I've actually like glued the Converse down and it's dried, so let's put her on. But I think I might go get some new ones today because these are like, I literally just had to glue them. And the black and white ones I had, I wore them to work and they did this like same thing. It's thrifty. All right, let's go finish that coffee. Anyway. Hi, can I please get tall latte, just like a 2. Can I get 3 shots of coffee? Thank you. What a cute little day. I'm gonna put you in there for like a hot minute. You got the bubble tea. My order is literally just a strawberry milk tea with pearls. But as you saw, I got the Connie. And then you saw this morning, I literally had to super glue my Connie together. And then I got to the shop. And then like I just didn't stay together. R.I.P. Connie. And I don't know if I like the high top ones, and I don't know if I should. Comment below. Should I get the high top cons? Thoughts, opinions, go. My hair elastic bro. Just got 2 packages. Martha from Mass, and if you watch me on Instagram, I obviously like post about her, and she'll swipe up the poll with Rouge. They're big fans of Dr. Naomi. Are you fucking serious? I'm actually dead. I'm dead. Enjoy this unboxing. Review is definitely coming. Stay tuned. I'm just waiting for the lady next to me. It is so hot. Hey guys, welcome to Thursday. I'm pretty sure it's Thursday. Oh, look like I'm actually gonna put lip balm on. Just went to the gym, worked this morning. This lip balm, if you're not on this lip balm, so this lip balm is actually meant to be a dupe for the Laneige, $22 or $30 or whatever. This one is a Sweet Dreams with vitamin E, aloe vera and grapeseed oil, $5, Chemist Warehouse. But because I want to, let's go to TK Maxx.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't